All right, let's look at the homework 10.3, problem number 5. All right, so let's apply a ratio test here. All right, so this is our, this is our AN. All right, if you want, actually, we can rewrite this guy as, so maybe I should, here, AN as, right? So you have a negative 1 to the n, and the 5 is on top. But here's a negative power, so we can actually put e to the n on the bottom, right? So if you do a ratio test, so you have a limit as n approaches infinity, absolute value of a n plus 1. So we just have to change n to n plus 1. So negative 1 to the n plus 1, then you have a 5, and you have e to the n plus 1. All right, divided by this guy, the same thing as multiplied by its reciprocal. So e to the n goes on top. Then we have a negative 1 to the n, have 5. All right, so we can cancel e to the n here. So to cancel that, we still have e on the bottom. All right, 5 and 5 cancel out. And in this case, negative 1 to the any power will not affect anything because of the absolute value sign. All right, so we end up getting, so this is going to be a limit of just a constant because there's no n left over. So you actually just get the 1 over e, right? So limit of 1 over e is 1 over e, right? So therefore, 1 over e is actually less than 1, which means that it's going to converge. All right, so converge series here. So here we have 1 over e, right, which is less than 1, which means that this converges. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.